Hey guys, welcome to Amara's first walking adventure. It finally got warm enough for us to take her outside. So with cats, you really want to make sure that you don't get them outside below 45-degree temperature. So it finally heated up to around 55, 57. And since she's a little younger, I was hoping to wait until it got even a little warmer than that. So this is our first walk outside. Our first real walk, actually. We've been training inside the house. Come on. Don't sniff that. Let's go. She's doing great. She's stopping to sniff stuff. She's really curious. And I took her to a part of the park that's like very closed off and has really good paths. Because cats seem to like that a little bit more instead of the open area. Okay, let's keep on going, Amara. Ooh, what's over there? So I hope you guys enjoy. We're just gonna go for a little nature walk here. She knows that sound. That's the sound of water coming from over there. Hey, sweetness. Hey. No, we're not gonna go down there. We're gonna stay on the path. Nope, don't eat that. So I do a little small tug when I want her to keep on going, also when I don't want her to eat something that she finds curious. It's a whole new world for her. Let's go. Come on, Amara. Come on. You're okay. Oh, she wants to go back. Does not like that. She prefers it back here where there's more space to hide. Better area. So definitely when you're first teaching your cat how to walk, you kind of want to let them roam around, let them do their own thing. You know, they're very curious, so they're going to want to sniff everything. You might be going back and forth a little bit, but that's okay, because they're going to get used to the fact that they're on a harness, and they're going to take them on a walk. That's what they want to get used to. They really like it, especially Bengal cats. They love it. Come on, Amara. Let's go. She hears the dogs barking over there. You're doing great. Keep it up. This is also a great way to spend time, bonding time with your cat, because especially with Bengal cats, they're very particular, and so you want to make sure that you spend a good amount of time with them, and let them get some exercise in. Okay, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on. She gets nervous when she hears noises. So she's used to the noise of like being outside, but she's not used to like any extra noises that aren't part of being outside. Nope, let's go this way. Come on, back over here. Come on, Amara. There we go. She dislikes, like I said, it's a little bit more open over here versus back there. It's a little more closed off. So she feels a lot more comfortable with a closed off area. If it's open, I will pick her up and hold her. And that's just a little bug flew by. Oh, she loves flies. Where'd it go? Nope, you're not gonna go off there. That was probably the most exciting part of her day. She found the fly. She loves flies. Absolutely loves them. Okay, let's keep it up. We're almost there. This way. Nope, not that way. This way over here. Come on. Amara, come. This way. Amara, come here. Good girl. Oh, and by the way, just a quick update for all of you guys. We are getting the samples in for the Amara shirts next week. I'm so sorry for the delay on those. We had some issues with the manufacturer, but they're going to be really fun. You guys voted for the name Amara with her laying on top of it, and we got that design going for us, so we're going to proof it next week, and then if everything's good, then the shirts are going to come out hopefully first or second week of May, or April. Okay, come on. Let's go. And so that's what we're looking at. Amara really liked him. She thought it was cute. So we got the Amara sign of approval. I should get her pad print. Oh, she found a fly. This way. So one thing you definitely don't want to do when you're training a cat to walk is to pull them, because that's really going to damage their paws and they're going to resent you for the rest of their life. Oh, we're going. We're going. Whew. Oh. This way. She was going after that fly. It goes, come on. This way. A few little tugs are good. Don't sniff on that poop. Alright. Let's rock and roll. Oh, she hears something again. That's okay. Let's go. Alright guys, well that was our first little nature walk. The exit is right on over there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to post this on YouTube for Amara. It's going to be her first little adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. She sure did. And we'll catch you guys next time.